everyone, this is day one of our Disney trip. We've just reached the Hotel Campanile at Disneyland Paris, where we're staying for one night before we move to the Davy Crockett Ranch for the next 2 nights. We come here by car from Folkestone to Calais and then done a 3-hour drive here. Not too far and really simple. There's another vlog on that if you want to see. And now we plan on heading into the Disney Village. We're going to get some dinner at the Rainforest Cafe and have a look around the shops before going to Davy Crockett and collecting our magic passes for tomorrow. So come with us, let's have some fun. We've just got to the Disney Village and it's all decked out for Christmas. Cute little Gavins. This is so cute. Look at that. Yum. Right, we're on the hunt for dinner.
Oh, that could be fun, couldn't it? We're going to go in there, definitely. Not we go there.
Right, let's look at the menu.
Look, it actually looks like it's slowing down. Is that just it? Yeah,
where the lights on it. Maybe on the way out? Is it worth?
There's more coins.
Oh, okay, we'll get one on the way out.
Oh, carrot.
See, it's all right. Obviously, I haven't been to this one. I've been to the one in London.
Ooh. Oh no, Freya's spotted the T-wires. Yep, no, come on. Let's eat first at least. See if they have space for us.
This would be your perfect bedroom, wouldn't it?
Jackson would love this.
Yeah, we can just bought that for 6 hours one day.
Got some colouring.
No, and it's really nice.
What you got, Jackson? Meatballs? What you got, Freya? Nuggets? Nuggets and chips. And lemon linguine pasta. Nice.
3 lots
Oh yeah, nice.
really nice.
Fish. It's a storm. Oh, look at that Star Wars picture up there. Jackson, have you seen the Star Wars picture up there?
Oh, that's nice. I wonder why he's always sold out.
Buy this for Christmas, please, Frank.
But I can't afford it. I'd be silly, but I'm thinking about it.
How much is this Home Alone house?
$199. Look at it.
Oh my god.
And look. Oh my god, that's so cool. That's really cool, isn't it? Oh.
That's good. That's cool.
You get a different one for each time. It's an advent calendar.
Tempting, tempting. What's this? Harry Potter? That is so cool. That's wicked. Oh, Sanderson House. That's so cool. Oh, what is it? €229.99. Yeah. Just in the Disney store trying to figure out how to build a lightsaber. How long is it going to take us?
10 years.
It's very cool. Get
Oh, maybe you put it in that
one
way.
blade is 35, 2 blades 50. Have we figured it out? No.
You don't.
This lightsaber building is taking forever. Literally like 2 hours later.
No, 10 hours.
10 hours later. We're still attempting this.
Right, okay, whatever. Okay. Then.
Well, that took about 10 hours.
Tell me about
But
it.
we have show me your lightsaber.
Thanks, doll.
Wow. That's
That
cool.
looks really cool, actually.
That took long enough.